wanted to be with you a little earlier, but an urgent call was necessary to attend to. It's all because what I'm about to share with you right now. Hope you're doing good. I enjoyed being on that chair a couple of days ago. It was recorded actually on Sunday with Red Redfern, and it was streamed on Monday. If you didn't see it, if you didn't make the time, you're not missing much. So you don't have to see it again. But I'm kidding. I'm kidding. It is worth to watch and to show you the direction we're headed. Clever questions by Red and whoever helped in articulating those questions. I did enjoy it. I actually begged him for a second round. Let's see if he would allow me. But the other part is I have been trying to come out here with more precise updates and information about what we talked about last time, which is the three scenarios. And they're no longer three scenarios. Right now we have two scenarios, and they're not A, B, C that we've had, so we've got to revise them as of today. So the first update I want to let you know as of now, we all know, I hope you know by now, that our site and sites and applications being down unfortunately was done because of mismanagement of certain individuals. Some are no longer with us. In fact, many are no longer with us because of that massive mistake. They hurt the business and our daily activity. So that was done. Because it was intentional, obviously things were complicated. We were very concerned about our applications, our hard work for many years, and our database, which is worth a lot. It's treasure, okay? It's a treasure. So as of today, I can tell you we have safeguarded and recovered 100% of our source codes, all the applications, all the work from day one until now, 100% saved. That's one. Two, the database, basically your data, your profile, your login, your customers, referrals, the wallet, the funding, the bonus, all of that. All that also, database, all the people in the IT sector, they understand, it has been recovered 100%. So as of today, we did not lose a line. This is good, but still not live. Not, it doesn't mean today we can access again. This means we, with the data, with the information we have as of now, we can build a new infrastructure anywhere or a new hosting, all of that, day and night. Okay, so we're good. This is what we can do today. All right, this is what you need to do, know that it's obviously going to be recovered and we're going to resume business and move on to the next phase. It's not where we're worried about what if things don't come out complete or we're unable to recover 100% of our business. That would have been more, challenging. Regardless, we are going to keep pushing and we're going to continue this battle, if you wish, until we are 100% on track. And immediately we will communicate with you about the next phase. Today, I could tell you probably the best day in the last 2-3 months, okay? As of now, the progress. I want to thank our team in Hyderabad and other locations who have been working tirelessly. In some days, 20 hours or so. I wouldn't exaggerate if some people were attentive at least for 23 hours. Yes, how? I mean, they stole an app here and there, okay, but it doesn't mean they were off and relaxing. So this takes high dedication from the team and commitment uh, with the complicated circumstances. So we want to applaud all of our teams and managers in India. Great job. And for that, we are in debt and in gratitude. So moving forward, I'm going to give you now the two scenarios, okay? Both scenarios are within the month of September, we should be able to go back. A and B. So one is a little faster, okay? It's not going to happen like in the next 2 days. I'm very accurate with you. Uh, if everything goes well, uh, we have either it's just like a week difference or something, but at uh, most before the end of September, like within 30 days, we should be backtrack. If things happen sooner, obviously that would be the first uh, preferred scenario. We no longer need 3 months and 2 months, and it didn't happen this week, obviously. So we are revising the scenarios. Number one, we are concrete now. We have 100% confidence that we are coming back real soon. Just give us a time to revamp and restructure things so we can go live. We have A and B, both are before the end of September, very much so. We don't expect, surprises or any setbacks because we gave ourselves a little buffer, so it might happen, even sooner, but at most it will be happening within the next 30 days. Okay, so this is what I wanted to say for now. Things are really getting back to where we wanted them to be a while ago, and with this new chapter, we're going to have enormous excitement because what you're going to see, the different level of quality, the accuracy, the reliable technology, all of that, what we wanted to achieve from the beginning. A couple of things before I head out. Number one, we have good news that are progressing on our side in terms of not only recovering the technical aspect of our business, but also moving forward in the logistics aspect. I want to stop there, but we have bad news for those who caused this damage and setback in our business. So everything is going to be revealed, and I wish I could elaborate more, but soon we'll be happy to do so. At the moment, I want you to cherish the moment again and enjoy that we are coming back real soon. Everything is recovered. Business is intact. Of course, there are going to be really uh, dramatic changes, positive ones, obviously, or drastic changes. Perhaps is going to be a very, very positive curve in our business. Okay, so this return and this uh, new dimension of our business is going to make you happy. It will please you. I'm confident we're going to have the best days of our business just coming soon.